You all see the big old bag here from Bath & Body Works, so you know what that means. A haul happened. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and today, yes, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we are talking Bath & Body Works. I know, right? It's time. Mother's Day is in the air, so that means, you know what, sales are happening. And in particular, we had a candle sale going on. They got a bag promotion going on, and they were adding other things happening. But most importantly, you all, what I went in for wasn't even on sale, and that's because I was out of soap. So I went in for soap, and then other things happened, but we'll get into that. As always, lipstick of the day, we have Pat McGrath. This is the Extravaganza lipstick from their Matte Trance line. Check that out. Most importantly, get into it on the lips. Else, let me know what you think in the comments below. It will be linked as well as everything that is on my face, as always. Next up, we have fragrance of the day. I'm wearing a decant. This is a sample of Kilian's Rolling in Love. I'll insert a picture of the full-size bottle so you know what I'm talking about. It's a sexy red bottle. We love it. It's really nice. Has kind of a marshmallowy vibe going on. It's cute. Kilian's Rolling in Love is your fragrance of the day. So now let's get into this Bath & Body Works haul. So as stated previously, I was out of soap. You wanna know how bad it is, you all? I'm literally washing my hands with winter and sweater weather soaps, because those are the literal last soaps in my house right now. It is May. Those soaps are meant for cold weather. So as you can tell, we down bad right now. So we had to correct that. I had to settle for the usual, what's that, 5 for $27 promotion they have right now. I had missed the soap sale and they were $2.95. Y'all, it took me a month to get to Bath & Body Works. I don't know what was going on in my life, but anywho, we're here now. But to make things sweeter, I did have the mailer that came in, which is featuring gingham and talked about Mother's Day and the bag and all that. So I had a 25% off coupon. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go in store so I can stack my coupon on top of any promotion they had going on, which at the time, the promotion they had was the $14.95 3-wick candles too. And I knew it was a few candles I had my eyes on. So let's get into these soaps. First soap I picked up was a foaming soap. I absolutely love the candle in this, but I figured why not get the soap for a change? So I picked up the white tea and sage. Notes on the white tea and sage soap are fresh tea, lemon, and herbs. Now the notes in the soap are different than the candle, so I'm gonna have to smell this because I didn't smell any of these when I was in store, so call this a first impressions. Okay, I still like it. Okay, the white tea and sage soap does smell like the candle, even though the notes are different, so I'm okay with that. So white tea and sage and the gentle foaming hand soap. Very excited about it. The next soap I picked up, now I do have the candle in this one, so I was intrigued to see how the soap would perform. This is the Rose and Lychee foaming soap, and the notes in Rose and Lychee are wild rose, sugared lychee, and delicate raspberries. Now the reason Rose and Lychee is having a moment is because it smells to a lot of people, and I have to agree with this, like the popular Parfums de Marly fragrance Delina. So why not get the Delina vibe but on a budget? Because hey, Delina is retailing for like $350 right now, and I can go to Bath & Body Works and get the soap, and this is what, $5 on a bad day? So I get the hype in this. Yeah, it's similar. Now, it's an exact dupe of Delina. No, it is not, but it's the lychee note that does give it similarities to it, so I get it. So why not have it, you know, for all my girly girls that like something pretty and pink in their beauty rooms? That's definitely what I'm gonna use it for. The Rose and Lychee soap will be going in my personal beauty bathroom. I like this. Now the next soap we want to talk about, this one I saw a lot of hype and buzz around. In fact, it was even sold out online at one point, so I was like, ooh, let me see what it's talking about. My store had both versions of it, meaning they had the gentle gel, the cleansing gel version as well as the foaming version. I went with the gel version. I'm talking about the sweet strawberry scoop ice cream. This one just seems like a happy scent. It's part of the Bath & Body Works summer. As you can see, they have the summer on there, letting you know what collection it's with. We have notes of sugared pink strawberries and vanilla bean ice cream. So I said it just sounded like a good time. I can't see this being bad, but of course, let's see. Oh, I do like this. I do like it. This is very happy and sugary sweet. I can definitely see a lot of kids enjoying this, so I can see if a lot of moms or dads might want to buy this for their children's bathrooms. I can totally see that. Or if you are just a grown person that wants something sweet and happy and uplifting when you wash your hands, I get the hype on this one. So Sweet Strawberry Scoop, the name smells exactly like it's supposed to. It gives what it's supposed to give. I think it's good. So Sweet Strawberry Scoop in the gel form. I'm excited about this. I mean, you can't help but be excited. It's like really happy. The next soap we're going to talk about, this one is also new to my mind. I don't remember this one. This is the Sweet Sandalwood, and it's in the cleansing gel formula. So Sweet Sandalwood, which to me, I have to give Bath & Body Works their props. They do sandalwood scents extremely well, in my opinion. They have this smoothness about them, which sandalwood is supposed to be a smooth vibe. So I'm glad about that. So let's talk about it. Let's see here. We have creamy vanilla, sugarcane, and rich sandalwood. So this one seems like it would be a very straightforward scent. One of those I would say you put in your guest bathroom that's not going to offend a lot of people. That's what I think, but let's smell it to see. This is unisex. Yeah, it has a bit of an earthiness vibe about it, which that is sandalwood for you. This is absolutely guest bathroom friendly, in my opinion. Nobody's gonna be mad at this. I like it, so I would definitely put this one in the bathroom where the head elf frequents, because I know he would prefer something a little earthier versus something that's a little bit more sugary sweet. Just saying. But yeah, Sweet Sandalwood, I like it. It's doing just enough. The name is doing like it says. I like that. The last soap I picked up is an oldie but goodie. We love it. Can't be without it. And this is Champagne Toast, y'all. I mean, we love Champagne Toast. I love the hand cream at this point whenever I get the little freebie coupons. I also love the candle. And I like the soap too. I've noticed it. I remember buying the soap on a whim, and I've been buying it ever since. It works. So I got the gel version this time. So we have notes of bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. I don't need to smell this, but I enjoy the scent so much. Just like, why not? You just can't go wrong with Champagne Toast. It works. Love it. Excited to have it in my collection. And most importantly, y'all, I'm excited to have seasonal appropriate soaps back in my house. So did y'all really think I was gonna go to Bath & Body Works and not pick up any candles, particularly when there's a promotion going on and I had a coupon? Come on now. So I picked up 3 candles, and this was very strategic in the ones I selected. You will understand, because in the meantime, yeah, another big sale is coming, and we're gonna talk about that at the end of the video. But anywho, let's get into the candle haul. So first and foremost, all 3-wick candles were on sale for the $14.95. Emphasis on the all, because as we know, there are different price points and different editions of candles that have been coming out in Bath & Body Works as of late. And in particular, we had this special glass lid collection that came out. This is the flower cart candle. I've had my eye on this candle. I've smelled it like 3 different times on 3 different trips. And I was like, I want this, but I'm not finna pay, what's this? $32.95. So you see, this one costs more than a standard candle. So therefore, when they do these all candles are one price type of sales, that was the time to pick up your special editions, in my opinion. Plus, remember, I also had the 25% coupon on top of it. So let's get into the notes. Flower cart, we have floral bouquets, fresh cut stems, lush greenery. So this is absolutely going to be a green type of floral scent, heavy on the green. Yes, it does smell like a florist has been cutting flowers all day. It has a little bit of a vintagey vibe too. I like it. This is a good candle to burn after you have cleaned, because of that greenery in it. It's floral, but it's not that perfume floral. It's more so on that fresh green side. So that's why I wanted this candle. And like I said, the price was finally right, so I went ahead and did it. So Flower Cart made the haul. The next candle I picked up, I saw this is part of the special edition candles they have right now for Asian and Pacific Islander month that I saw. And I know they had a special feature of the creator. And I was like, okay. And then I saw the packaging for it. I saw the name of the candle. This is a scent that I've been waiting to come back for like 2 or 3 years, because I haven't seen it since 2020. And the fragrance I'm talking about is the Blue Orchid Skies. This is an old scent, and I remember when this came out, I was still young in my Bath & Body Works candle journey, and I remember watching a couple hoard this scent. Literally, husband and wife, both of them had a basket, and they just like cleaned it out. They purchased it. They ain't try to like run out the store or anything, but they literally was like, no, we love this scent. And it was like, we don't want to be without it. It's like the signature scent for their home. And I was like, I'm gonna try this scent whenever it comes back, but it never came back, but now it's finally back. So here we are. Blue Orchid Skies, you all. Notes, we have our pink lady apple, soft white woods, Fresh Orchard Air. So this is an apple scent. This is so fresh and appley. It's not a fall apple, and that's what I appreciate about this one. So I get the understanding of why people enjoy this scent, have been waiting on it to come back, because most of the time the apple scents are always done in the fall. We get all of the like honey crisp apple, apple weather, all of those type of scents. They all come out after Labor Day, those type of scents. So it's like, I don't always want that cinnamony, like gourmand type of apple, those type of scents. I want something just a fresh take on apple, and this is the answer to that. So Blue Orchard Skies is the perfect spring summer version of an apple scent if you have been looking for one in your home. So I like this one. Now the last scent I picked up, this is one I told y'all, I said I think this one is going to be a hype candle. I think this one is hoard worthy. I think it's beautiful. I had to go back and get it because I noticed the stock was a little low, and I'm like, I can't wait to SAS and chance it, at least in my area. I can't do that. Let me know about your area on this candle. But you all, the last candle I'm talking about is the Palo, Santo, and Vanilla. Remember I told y'all about this one? I said, this is good. It is something about when Bath & Body Works mixes their vanilla scent with everything else. It just works. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. So anyhow, the Palo, Santo, Vanilla, we have notes of Palo Santo, woody musk, and tonka bean. It's that earthy smokiness, but with this sweetness undercurrent of that vanilla. It works. Like, it really, really works. I can't wait to burn this one. This is definitely giving summertime evening type of scent, but I just had to make sure I had one in my collection just in case it sells out, goes on discount during SAS, because we just don't know. Speaking of which, yes, as you've heard me mention, summer semi-annual sale is coming. We officially have a date on it. It is June 3rd, which is a Saturday, that it will be kicking off. Super excited, I think, because I've noticed a trend of we've had a lot of leftover candles from previous collections, more than most, just because, I mean, inflation, price points, things going on. I think summer SAS might actually be one for the books. I really think it's gonna be a lot of good candles. I think it's gonna be some gems. So let me know what you think about summer SAS. I already did a poll on this in my community tab, which a lot of y'all voted in. I appreciate that. Let me know, are you digging this haul I just did for you all? Do you like the soaps? Do you like the candles? And will you be participating in the candle sale come January 3rd? Let me know. That is what I have for you all today. I'm excited. I will be putting all this up. And yeah, I am done with BBW again until summer SAS, y'all. I'm done. I am done. So until next time else, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.